This is where I hold all my content, and the dogs sleep in here also. So it's time to clean up. Yeah. This is my storage room. And it's not filled to capacity, but it's damn near there. This is where I hold everything at. I put it on the shelves in here. I have absolutely no room for shit else. We are stacked to the brim. Okay. Stacked up to capacity, but at the end of the day gotta end, and I'm not gonna stop getting things from TikTok because I got a lot of it. Shit, they bless me with it. That's all. And I've made plenty of content with it. So yeah, when you stacked up like this, you have to find a room or storage to put all this shit in. This is my storage room. Welcome to my storage room. Welcome to Jazz Storage Room. Okay. So this is what I'm doing, putting stuff up. It's cleanup time. And this is what my cleanup looks like. Ugh. A whole bunch of shit. Something that you're interested in, hit me up. Maybe we can work out a deal. Okay, that baby dog. I have all these hats that I need to do something with. I have a lot of content. I mean, things that I can make content, more content with. So yeah, this is my storage room, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in. I have plenty. told y'all, I got what you need. If I don't got it, I don't know who do. I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see more in depth in here, but welcome to the content creators world, to my world. Empty box. That's my hat. This goes to something else. All right, we get closer and closer. Like I said, if you see something in here that you like, let me know. We might go work a deal out. Where this go at? Where's this box? That goes in there. That goes in there. This goes in here. I do know. Absolutely too much shit. These are the dog's clothes. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. That looks so much better. Like, I just had so much shit up here. Ooh. Lord help. Move.